Disclaimer, I do not know what breed this chicken are. I only know that they are white in color. And to begin, these are the chicken at 4 months old. You have to give them sufficient adequate housing. Ndio at least zikuwe na place ya kutembea. They need to get vaccine. But in this case, ours still got ill even though they were given the vaccine. But ukizipaka dawa pox, you apply on them, and after a few weeks inapona tu vizuri. The chicken gets back to looking healthy and it's ready to continue growing. Not that it was not growing, but it is ready to keep on growing, and you can even play with them. They are awesome pets to have. Chicken are pretty colorful. Najua it's the Luya in me talking, lakini kuku ni mrembo. You see how the colors blend? Like look at the brown on the neck. They need to be kept in groups, age groups. Vifaranga pamoja, like every type pamoja, breed, like basically kupanga tu. Arrangement yako inafaa kuwa orderly, and then they should never lack food and they should never lack water. And in their cages, if you're keeping them in cages, they should have enough space to move around, otherwise they can trample on each other. Because chicken are chicken, they wouldn't know, they just climb on top of each other, as you'll see. Wewe.
A few moments later.
And they like eating. That I assure you. Eating. These people can feed. They can eat on and on and on and on and on and on. Nothing new to them, just food. Eating. I wish I was a chicken, but then I'd get eaten, so. Chicken do well in groups, and then because they also like piling on each other during the cold, so your houses have to be well insulated and properly ventilated also, so that they do not get sick and they do not contaminate each other. That makes sense. And their food depends. Food comes with different ages. At the first stage, there's a different type of food. I'm not so sure about the names because mimi Mluya is not interested in a chicken. And there are also challenges. These people get sick easily. Like, I'm sorry I'm calling them people, but these people get sick easily. And housing can also be quite hectic. Outdoors is not practically good because of the extreme conditions when it's too hot or when it's too rainy. And then also, housing also becomes an issue when quarantining a chicken, because one chicken can take up a lot of space. Hatutaki ziambukizi zingine, arabu ya mmoja yote inaharibika. And then okay, they're not people, they are quite stubborn. Hazijui zinasaidiwa, hazijui zinapakwa dawa zipone, and they're quite stubborn, and they do not like each other, especially the majogoo. As I said, they hate each other, they fight a lot. I don't know if it's hate, it's just piece of content, like what most rappers do. Kelele too, so that they fight who's noisier than the other. But all in all, you love the content. The content's in chicken, it's sweet, and you can get your chicken at very affordable prices. I went through traffic to make this video and do a very crappy voiceover so that you can see chicken, love chicken, and be at one with chicken so that you can buy chicken. Preferably, if you buy chicken, buy the jogos. They're quite stubborn because they also do not lay eggs and they eat a lot. Broilers in this case. Thank you. It was nice having you. Stay tuned, stay connected, and Baki, like there's more content to watch, so you can just click on another video, click on my channel, do you